So you have the original stitching horse. Let's look at the assembly and usage of this tool. So when you unbox it, you'll find that there is a base plate. Has a curve on one side, which will be the top when you're using it. When we're assembling, it will be assembling it from the bottom, and there's a nice big hole cut out for the bolt. We have the top of the jaws, as you can see it. It comes with the releasing block, which I'll show you later. This is one of my favourite parts of this tool. And then we get two bolts, two sets of bolts. So we have one which is a couple of washers on it. We have one with a load of washers on it. First one that we want to use is this one. Take the butterfly nut off. We're going to leave the split washer on the bottom, put it through into here, give a jiggle, and fit. Hold that in place, place the bolt through the bottom, the other washer goes on top, and then we stick our wing nut back on. And that's pretty much it. Tighten it down as much as you need, but the benefit of having this here is that if you do need to rotate for any reason, you can just slightly loosen this off and it'll work. The next important piece that we need is the second bolt. So we're going to have two washers on one side and two washers on the other. So when we take the wing nut off, we will need to take two of these off as well. And depending on which hand you like to use, which is your dominant hand, so I'm right-handed, I tend to keep the wing nut on the right-hand side. However, because this does rotate on the base, it doesn't really matter. It just depends which way you want the logo facing. So, place this through the hole. Split washer, regular washer. And you're now ready to start stitching. So you can sit on this nice flat part here. Sort of scoot your bum onto this part, or you can just clamp it down onto a desk or a table. Just clamp that bit down. And the bit that I love is because there's tension in these jaws. Let's say I wanted to put my piece of work in. This is really difficult to do on this angle. So I wanted to put my piece of work in here. I can loosen this off and sort of pull it apart if I really want to, but we have this release block. So the release block goes in, we turn it, and it opens the jaws for us. Put a piece of leatherwork in, that holds it while we stitch away, stitch, stitch, stitch. But then if we need to move it, we don't need to worry about unscrewing this. Release block, put it in, got a little handle on it. What I'm going to do is turn, and it releases your leather, so you can move it around. Very simple, very really useful piece of kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build-alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.